Alright, what's good with y'all? Today we're back with another video, and today we're going over the top 5 most essential plugins in FL Studio in 2025.
Ask me if I'm famous. Gas got me sedated, pull my blunt out on the pavement.
Also, I want to let y'all know that I have dropped a site. It's virtual.shop. I will link it in the description. We have a little tech preset live right now. Y'all can copy it, and here's the video to it as well, up there or up here. We'll start off by going into FL Studio here, and I got a song that I'm dropping the 17th of January. So the first plugin we're gonna go over is Autotune by Antares. I'm gonna play this first without Autotune, and prepare your ears because this is gonna be bad. You've been acting strange since we linked up. So as y'all can hear, that doesn't sound very good, but as soon as we turn the Autotune on, we can hear instantly. You've been acting strange since we linked up. But you only know my name, that is it though. Know that I'ma stay the same, I don't switch up. So that's the first essential plugin of 2025. So if you don't got Autotune by Antares, I definitely recommend y'all to grab it. Okay, so that was Autotune, and next up on the list is Ozone 11. Ozone 11 is a master assistant, and you just slap it on the master and it basically makes your song industry ready. Nah, if for real, every time I've used this, it sounds like really fucking good. So I'm gonna show you how it sounds without the master and with. So we're just gonna turn it off first. I mean, it still sounds good, but as soon as I turn on the master, y'all gonna hear it. You've been acting strange since we linked up. But you only know my name, that is it though. Know that I'ma stay the same, I don't switch up. You've been acting strange since we linked up. But you only know my name, that is it though. Know that I'ma stay the same, I don't switch up. Yeah, y'all get the gist. Basically, master does so much more than you think. So I definitely recommend y'all to download Ozone 11. Okay. So next up on the list we have Xvox Pro, and if you are a real one and have followed my other videos and you looked at my earlier videos, you know that this plugin is goated, because I'm gonna show y'all actually. We turn everything off except Autotune and we listen to it. So that's without anything, like any processing, just Autotune. And when we turn the Xvox on, you've been acting strange since we linked up. And that's without any EQ. And like this X rack, this is OTT. This is like cleans up the vocal even more, but otherwise there's no processing except this. So Xvox is like a built-in vocal suite. It has like compression, it has EQ, it has space, which is reverb, and it has SFX, which makes it wider. So I'm gonna turn everything of these off and we're gonna turn them on one by one. You've been acting strange since we linked up. But you only know my name, that is it though. Know that I'ma stay the same, I don't switch up. But for now I just be worried about my health, baby, and I can't cap all in. So that's only Xvox with Autotune. That's like, it sounds already very fucking good. And when I turn on all of the other effects, we get this. So yeah, you can make it sound really good with just having Autotune and Xvox, but we got more on the list, so let's keep on going. Okay, so in number 4 we got Micro Shift, and this requires Soundtoys 5 vocal suite, I don't even know. This micro shift is used to widen your vocals and put it like in the back. So if you want like wide, spacey vocals, this is for you. This is the sauce. I'm gonna show y'all. So we're inside this project here. I'm just gonna play it without this micro shift on.
I said I need you in my life if you gon' fall back. I need you in my life if you gon' fall back.
So y'all can hear it's kind of in your face. If you want to spread it out, you just select this micro shift here. Here's the settings if y'all just want to copy or something. So here's the settings, and when I enable it, you'll get this sound.
I said I need you in my life if you gon' fall back. I need you in my life if you gon' fall back. Left you all alone and it's so bad. Left you all alone, I feel it's so bad.
Yeah, you can hear instantly it gets much wider and just more spacey. So yeah, that's micro shift. And now for the last one. Okay, so in number 5, we got the... I might just show y'all an FL. Okay, so finally, we got NS1 and Clarity VX by Waves. So I'm gonna demonstrate real quick. So we got all plugins up here. I just put on a compressor to make it louder. Y'all can hear in the background, there's a lot of echo. I can clap. Even when I talk, echo. Y'all can hear the echo. But if we turn on NS1, y'all can hear. Already remove some echo. And if we turn on this, there's no echo left, literally. This is like a fucking pro booth. This sounds like a studio booth. The only thing is that it's lacking a little bit of clarity, but we can just easily fix that by adjusting here. So we gone from this, echo, y'all can hear, what's up, to this. That's like no echo. Literally, sounds like you're in a booth. In my opinion, the best plugins in this list is Autotune Pro and Xbox, definitely. Those are plugins I always use when I make a song, no matter what, because they're like game changers for real. But yeah, also, I noticed in my analytics, 81% of y'all are not subscribed. What are you doing? Nah, but for real, I would really appreciate if you just could go down there and hit the subscribe button and like while you're there, and also comment what video you want next. But that was all for this video. I'll catch you on the next one.